Your dog needs regular exercise in order to be healthy and happy. Today, we're going to share with you the best 5 dog harnesses to make this experience better for both of you. The Dex Dog Easy Walk Harness secured the 5th position on the list today. The easy on and off Dex Dog Harness allows for a stress-free, easy experience and only takes a few seconds to put on. This easy on-off design is great for small, medium, and large dog breeds and all puppies or adults. It comes in 6 vibrant and stylish colors: blue, green, black, pink, purple, and turquoise. Your pup will not only be the most comfortable dog around, but also the coolest and cutest looking. Up next, we have the Blueberry Pet Steppin harness as our number 4 choice. This dog harness will add a touch of rural charm to your cool canine. Realistic yet cute, this black and red ladybug print is set against a rich rose-color ribbon, while the ribbon is nicely sewed and incorporated onto the red nylon webbing. To match the color tone of the print design, our designer handpicked these shocking pink buckles. All in all, this bold dog harness will complement any pooches and will be an added extra charm to his or her life necessities. At number 3, we have the Expo Laurer escape-proof outdoor dog harness. The anatomical design of this product may catch your eye, and you may doubt how this harness works. There are 5 points for adjustment, allowing for full range of motion. The 2 straps allow for customizing of the chest area and the waist. And in addition, you can adjust the neck portion and the chest strap. The air mesh material and nicely padded design help make your dog feel comfortable while wearing it, which is important to most dog owners. The number 2 product on the list today is the Ruffwear Front Range Everyday Harness. The Ruffwear Front Range Harness is an everyday harness that is easy to put on and comfortable for dogs to wear. The harness features 2 leash attachment points, an aluminum V-ring centered on the dog's back for everyday walks, and reinforced webbing at the dog's chest for training or additional control. An ID pocket keeps dog tags quiet and easily accessible. And the best product on the list today at number 1 is the PetSafe Easy Walk Harness. The Easy Walk harness gently discourages your dog from pulling on the leash. When your dog pulls, the harness steers your dog to the side and redirects his attention towards you. The harness rests across your dog's chest instead of his throat, so there's no choking or gagging. The Easy Walk harness is perfect for everything from teaching your dog to heel during daily walks to keeping your dog under control at the vet or dog park. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share your valuable comments with us. If you liked our video, please do give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day!